Hey guys, just up here, working on farm stuff. Don't mind the background noise. We're making some animal food for tomorrow's breakfast and dinner. Come along for the journey. Working on goat food first, and then we'll go over to the backyard pig food. Gotta make up the turkey food, the chicken food. My goats get a variety of fruits and vegetables that my mom all gets from the grocery store she works at, so we get everything for free. It's all the waste produce that they have. It's a great help, around the farm. What are you doing in here? You don't belong in here, sweet baby. I like to clean my space, keep my space as clean as possible, because if I wouldn't want to put it in my mouth, I necessarily wouldn't want to put it in my goat's mouth. This is typically what I do every afternoon once I get out of work. My days off, I'm up here all day. Tending to the animals. We're getting stuff planted in the garden. Making up animal food for the next day. Because the animals can't feed themselves. Unless you let them out on the grass, then they eat themselves. animals, they said. It'll be fun, they said. So you gotta make food for them every day. And you got little baby goats that are already starting to eat food, so you gotta chop up everything a little bit smaller for them. The pigs will just devour anything you put in front of their faces. They get chopped up bigger. More oranges. For the backyardigans. If not paying attention. Here, another couple of big guys. Grab it. Juicier ones. Moving right along. Apples, another favorite of the animals. These ones out of here. Potato, a couple of potatoes. I grabbed some of these groceries for the pigs because they will literally devour anything. Alright. Get started with this. Now I don't give my goats the cores. I read that it wasn't necessarily good for them, so I just leave them out. The pigs will get all those. No. Chicken, what are you doing, baby? Goats love the apples. One of their favorite parts of the dishes. Dinner and breakfast. Again, cut these a little bit smaller because I still have a couple of babies. I have little mouths, can't really open much. I've had a couple that have started choking on me, so I just started chopping smaller to make sure we don't have any accidents. half of the stuff that we get from the grocery store doesn't even come out all that bad, but because it's past, you know, the date that they've had it, or in boxes with other smushed items, we get it. Surprised you don't hear the goats mouthing off right now. They actually got to go out in the field and eat a little grass today after some fresh rain yesterday. So they are staying quiet. We have baby chicks in the background, right behind the camera. They're still on chick feed. I had them for one of my coworkers. She wanted some new chickens. So, just waiting on her to come pick them up. Never get the chance. And then I gotta go clean up my incubator and put in new rounds of eggs. I gotta have to have some more chickens for us because we're getting a little on the low side for my liking anyway. Let's see, we need another good one. Got pigs. Yeah, so this is typically what I do most afternoons after work, or today I was working a little bit on the chicken run up behind the coop because I want to try to keep the chickens in a contained space for their safety, and when I have the electric fence on for the goats so they don't get zapped, they're, you know, less likely to be eaten by predators. So this is what we're up to this afternoon. If y'all want to see more, just let me know. Thanks, guys.